Hi, and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this end of makeup look is inspired by Sombra from Overwatch. Now, I will be honest, I have never played Overwatch. Um, it's something I want to get into, but at the same time, I'm like, I don't know if it's exactly for me. I'm not a big fan of shooter games unless it's like beat 'em ups and stuff like that, like Bayonetta, because then there's like some shooting mechanics and like that I can kind of get into, but otherwise, like most shooters, I'm like not for me. But from the first time I saw her like intro video, I was like, oh, I love her. I love her personality. I love her design. I love her colors. And I've been wanting to do this look. I was going back and I checked. I started planning on this look in August of 2018. And I never got around to doing it until today. So here we go. So yeah, I am so proud to like finally do this look. And yeah, I'm going to stop rambling. I'm sorry. Let's roll the intro. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my brows and primed my eyes. And for some reason this eye's looking brighter. I could just be me. Could I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I did just use the base shade from the Fruit Sorbet palette. And before I go into that one more time, I'm going to quickly take my Steve Lauren blush and Rosé All Day. I love using this whenever I know I'm going to use pinks because this is a little bit light. So I can really like focus that and have like a nice transition so I don't have this dark line. I'm going to use this real quick, just like high above my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my Fruit Sorbet palette. I'm going to take the pink right here, which is deeper than the blush I used, and I'm going to place that just so slightly below the blush. Okay, so now I'm going to take this purple right here and place that on the outer third and into the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to blend using my Sephora Collection number 10 brush just to get a nice look, because I know this looks weird right now. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little black lace from Sephora Collection and place that on the outer third and slightly blend it up. We're going to keep it on the outer third though. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild, this is the Liquid Catsuit in Camelback. I'm going to apply that to the lid, and I am going to have it go a little bit above where I normally would put it. So that way we do have like that nice like fuller cut crease. Even though I'm like always saying like, oh no, I like to have it like lower, I'm gonna do it so that we can see. Okay, so while that is still wet, I'm just going to blend out the edge right here. And then I'm going to take my dose of colors. This is one of their Block Party eyeshadows, and this is in the shade Teal Me More. I'm going to apply that using a kind of a spatula-like applicator. Okay, I'm really not feeling how I did that cut crease, so I'm going to finish this eye like I normally do. I'm going to go and redo this eye and I'll be back because I'm also going to go do my full face, and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so real quickly on camera, I just want you to see why I don't like to do this version of a cut crease like what everyone else does. It's just because, like, for me, for some reason, I do not like how it just looks like so big. I like this more like precise and like confined version of a cut crease for my eye shape. So if you're someone who has more rounded eyes or you have more eye space, you can go for this one because it would probably look great on you. But for me, I had to stick to this one because otherwise I feel like I look off. Anyway, I'm gonna go do my face and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back, and here we go. Now I'm going to go back to the eyes. By the way, this highlighter. But back to the eyes. Like always, I'm going to go back in with the same colors underneath. Okay, so for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Hypothermia. I'm going to use my finger because I know that's the best way to apply it onto the lid area. But like I said, I'm going to pop that on the inner corner. Okay, now I'm going to take my basket case liner and run that in my waterline. Now we're going to move on to the lips. Okay, and for lip liner today, I'm going to take my Everlasting lip liner in Scully. I'm going to line my lips. Now I'm going to take Nocturnal by Anastasia and only go around where I had lined my lips, keeping the center area a little lighter. In the center, I'm going to add a little bit of Insomniac. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Boo Blue and add that directly in the center and only in the center. Okay, so now for a little pop of color, even though this is already very bright, I'm just going to take a little bit of Sapphire and pop that on in the center. Okay, now I'm going to let down my hair, set my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are with the finished look, and I love how this turned out. Yes, I did have to correct this eye, and this ombre was not turning out completely right because of how some things were drying down too fast, so that's that. But everything else I love. Like, I love the eyes. Like, the lips, I'm like, not my best, but I still like it. Because I can go to Sephora and I will literally take these exact same colors except for blue because obviously that's not at Sephora. And I'll do this ombre like all the time because I love it. And I finally was able to find something that I thought would match with it. So yeah. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say, so thank you for watching, and thank you for loving all the looks I had for like Valentine's, anti-Valentine's stuff. I really like how I really do appreciate all the love that I got with that, so thank you so much, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.